good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. Okay, now let's talk about farm animals. Everybody say farm animals. Can we spell farm animals? F-A-R-M-A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Farm animals. Okay, these animals live in the farm. Let's go for our sentence structure. Our sentence structure is, what farm animal is it? Everybody, what farm animal is it? Answer, it's a blank. Okay, for our vocabulary about farm animals, the first one is, okay, everybody, what farm animal is it? Very good. It's a pig. Everybody, it's a pig. Very good. Can we spell pig together? P-I-G, pig. Good job. Next vocabulary is bull. Everybody, bull. Can we spell bull? B-U-L-L, bull. Very good. Okay, next vocabulary is, good job, it's a rabbit. Again, it's a rabbit. Can we spell rabbit? R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Very good. Okay, the next we have hen. Everybody say hen. Can we spell hen together? H-E-N, hen. Okay, next is rooster. Everybody, rooster. Can we spell rooster? R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Very good. Okay, next we have moo. Okay, what's that? Very good. It's a cow. What farm animal is it? It's a cow. Okay, can we spell cow? C-O-W, cow. Very good. Okay, next animal is lamb. Everybody, lamb. Okay, can we spell lamb? L-A-M-B, lamb. Very good. Okay, next, meh. What animal is it? Okay, everybody, let's spell goat. Everybody, goat. Can we spell goat? G-O-A-T, goat. Very good. Okay, how about this? What farm animal is it? Okay, very good. It's a horse. It's a horse. Can we spell horse? H-O-R-S-E, horse. Very good. Okay, next we have turkey. Everybody, what farm animal is it? It's a turkey. Can we spell turkey? Okay, together. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Very good. Okay, let's practice. Okay, question. What farm animal is it? Answer, it's a blank. Okay, now, what is our vocabulary? Very good. It's a pig. Okay, question. What farm animal is it? Everybody, let's answer. It's a pig. Again, it's a pig. Very good. Next, what farm animal is it? Everybody, let's answer it together. It's a turkey. Everybody, it's a turkey. Very good. Okay, next, what farm animal is it? Okay, together, it's a bull. It's a bull. Very good. Next, we have moo. What's that? What farm animal is it? Okay, together, it's a cow. One more time. It's a cow. Very good. Next, how about this? What farm animal is it? Together, it's a goat. One more time. It's a goat. Very good. Next, we have, what farm animal is it? Nay, it's a horse. Again, it's a horse. Very good. Next, what farm animal is it? Very good. It's a rabbit. One more time. It's a rabbit. Okay, how about this? What farm animal is it? Okay, it's a hen. Together, it's a hen. Okay, how about this one? What farm animal is it? Everybody, it's a rooster. It's a rooster. Very good. Now let's go to our activity. It's about spell it out. Okay, we're going to spell it out. What animal is it? Okay. Okay, the first one is, okay, let's spell it. What animal is it? Horse. Okay, can we spell horse? Okay. Together. H O R S E. Horse. Very good. Next vocabulary. What farm animal is it? Okay, can we spell it together? Okay. L-A-M-B. Lamb. Good job. Okay, next. What farm animal is it? Can you spell it? Okay, you do it. Very good. It's a rabbit. Okay, next. What animal is it? Can you spell it? Okay, wait. Everybody. Good job. It's a bull. Next. What farm animal is it? Everybody, spell it. Very good. It's a cow. Okay, it's time for you to get your worksheet and answer what farm animal is it. Understand? Okay. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.